7 shocking investment lessons that I learned in 2024, or perhaps relearned in 2024. Listen on to actually make sure that you maximize your investments in 2025. First of all, patience does pay. Sometimes I'm too impatient. When you invest in a quality company, you've got to give it time. Don't think that just because other people are saying negative things about that company, it actually means it's true. Remember, ignore the noise, be patient with your investments. Number 2, AI. It isn't a bubble. There's going to be continued growth in AI. There's no question about it, but be careful. Some companies are hyping and saying AI, but they're not actually using AI. There's a man behind the curtain. In other words, if you're going for AI, check it really is something that's going to impact and going to make a difference. Number 3, politics is perhaps bigger than I expected. Donald Trump, of course, won. Expected a run, but it was bigger than I expected. So just think politics does make a difference. And of course, he's going to have a honeymoon period, but expect some volatility after that honeymoon period. Always happens. It's going to happen in 2025. Just remember as well that sometimes the predictors, the leading yield curves, for example, actually are misleading. In other words, people say there's going to be a recession. Every time the yield curve's fallen, there's been a recession. Well, this time there wasn't. So just remember, when people are saying things based on technical factors, it doesn't always work. And perhaps the reason is that AI is actually changing the way companies can grow. Temper expected returns. You know, if you're making 20%, as you can sometimes, you start to look for things to make you 20%. Actually, reality, if you're making 7 to 10 consistently and occasionally get a winner, that's actually a better way of investing money. Number 7, diversification pays. No question about it. Don't put all your money just in stock. Invest in something else, whether it's crypto and you go for some Bitcoin, which is likely to do well in 2025, or gold, or investing into bonds. I'm moving more into a really good corporate managed bond fund, which is called DeVere Smart Money Fund. Okay, that for me is going to be one of the winners in 2025. They're the lessons I've learned. If you learn those lessons, you'll make more money in 2025.